Hi lovelies. So today I thought I would share some happy mail that I got today from the lovely Niamh, and I will link to her YouTube channel in the description below. So what happened was I share a lot on Instagram, and I'll link to my Instagram below as well. And I was having a bit of a blah day, and I'd done a page and I wrote up that I'd taken a bit of a confidence hit that day, and the lovely Niamh decided, she messaged me on Instagram, and she was really lovely and really perked me up. But the day before, I had watched a fabulous video of hers where she had altered a pair of jeans to make an apron, and it was absolutely gorgeous. And I told her that if she ever decided to make them and sell them, I would totally buy one. Well, she decided to send me the one she made as a perk up kind of happy mail, and I was just blown away because it is not just an apron, it is a work of art, and it arrived today, so I thought I would share it with you. And this is how it came. How gorgeous is it wrapped? Like, it's just beautiful. So I have a gorgeous, which I haven't opened yet, but wait till you see this masterpiece. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'll link to the video that I watched where she made this, because it's amazing. It's just so creative and so original. So I'll move back so you can see. So this is the apron she made. Isn't it amazing? So she altered the jeans, or she took a pair of scissors to it, and then she painted and decorated the apron. Isn't that amazing? So I was just blown away when she wanted to send this to me, because it's a work of art. And yeah, it was so sweet of her, and it really did. Her words perked me up, not just the fact that she sent me her gorgeous masterpiece, but just hearing from like-minded arty friends was really nice of her to message me, and just to say that she loves my videos and things like that. So it was really great to hear from her. That's what I love about the art community, making arty friends that online. Obviously I don't have many arty friends in my area, but I have this awesome community online on Instagram and YouTube of people that I communicate with daily. And yeah, it's great to have those arty friends. So I was very thankful, not only for her beautiful words, but that she wanted to send me her gorgeous apron. There it is again. I'll take a picture and show you. But yes, I will link to her video below where you can watch her make this masterpiece, because it's a fantastic video. I loved it. And yeah, so thank you, lovely. I really appreciate this. I don't know if I could bring myself to wear it while I create, though. It's too pretty. But I suppose that is the point of it, isn't it? It's amazing. And the detail, you'll have to... I just love the work she put into it. It's just amazing. So I really wanted to share this with you today to show what a fantastic artist she is, and how lovely it was of her to send this to me to just sort of perk me up a bit. So yeah, arty friends are the best friends, aren't they? So thanks for watching, and I will be back real soon with a new video. I think I'm due for a Project Life video, I said, so fingers crossed I can get that done. Bye for now.